Hi, my name is Abigail, and I am the owner founder of Abigail's Vacation Rentals and Concierge Services in Southern Puget Sound in the state of Washington. And today we're going to talk a little bit about how an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure when it comes to your vacation rental property. So these are lessons that we have learned the hard way through thousands and thousands of reservations that we have done in the years that we have been in business. So, number one, the first thing that we do when we get a vacation rental into our inventory is we will send the owner a very lengthy questionnaire. And so on this questionnaire is everything that we need to know about the property. So the care and maintenance of it, where things are located, including warranties, water shut off, power shut off, and also things that guests need to know, things that they need to know in order for them to navigate the property without really scratching their head as to where things are located at. And that could be as simple as, how do you operate the fireplace? Where's the flue? Where's the thermostat? Those kind of things. So very lengthy, but very useful. And if you would like a copy of that questionnaire for your own use so that you can create your own welcome manual and information sheet, please email me and I'd be glad to forward it to you. So once we have the welcome manual all ready to go, we load it onto Airbnb and VRBO, and then we can also send it as a PDF to the guest. Some people are not techie, and so they don't realize that they can actually access it through those sites. And then we print the manual and we will put it in a binder in the property. And so that's number one. So that's the first place people are going to look if they have a question about the house. Then the other thing that we do, again, all of these things are really based on experience. So all of our properties have a keyless entry system, but a lot of times, for whatever reason, people do not have the welcome manual with them. They don't know how to access the information on those the apps on their phones for VRBO or Airbnb. So we have literally posted emergency contacts next to the door, because a lot of times people will arrive late as well. And so it's very difficult for them to kind of get their heads together. If it's a keyless entry system that isn't easy to operate, we will also literally put instructions on how to use the keyless entry system, both coming in and leaving. So my suggestion is get the one that has a lever, which automatically locks and automatically opens once you put the numeric code in. Once in the property, they will see the welcome manual, and then we will actually walk the property and we will provide signage for a lot of different things. Like, we have septic systems here, and so people don't understand that it's very important that they really watch the amount of water they use and paper products they use. You know, we don't like people to use garbage disposals, and so we will actually post signage in the bathroom. We also have exit lists on the fridge, and we have found that just by doing that, when we come in to clean, the properties aren't trashed or messy, that people are actually following the expectations that we have. And they're simple. It's basically load the dishwasher, make sure you don't put garbage in the recycling, make sure you turn down any beds that you've used and you've put your dirty laundry in the bathroom, and that you have left the property in a tidy condition. But to reinforce all of these messages, we tie those expectations to a cash deposit. It's very, very rare that we keep any or all of people's deposits. Occasionally we have, because there has been things that have happened, but for the most part, it's just a good incentive to basically be respectful of the property. And we have additional rules against based on past experience, like no fireworks, no parties without permission, no people on the property without checking with us first. And again, it just keeps people respectful. And again, we do tie it to the deposits. We don't want to keep people's deposits. We want them to leave really thrilled that they came to visit. But for that small percentage, it has done a world of good. So anyways, those are just some tips. If you want that questionnaire, just shoot me an email and I will forward that over to you, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.